All right, guys, we're revisiting a good one. Did Dishoom in Edinburgh. So now we're doing it in London. Gonna come in here for dinner. It's a little different style Indian. I don't know if you watched our other video. Let's show you how cool this place is. All right, guys. Been here before. I'm just gonna do it real quick. Drinks are on the other side. All right, guys, I went with the orange wine. I kind of like doing whites with Indian food. I just think the spices with the white wine go really well. But they have a decent wine list, some beers. Kind of known for their little cocktail menu. You see something that takes your fancy. All right, the gunpowder potatoes. We got the chicken tikka, dry. It is a little different here. I think it's the ruby paneer. We got our rice, and then we got our favorite little corn here that they do. Looks delicious. All right, Dishoom was good as usual. Fantastic food. We're excited. We're getting ready to leave in a couple days. Headed home, finally. Maybe we'll have a video from New York. I don't know. We're stopping over in New York for the night. Stay at the amazing TWA Hotel. I don't know if you checked that out at JFK. Anyways, I got the Dishoom cookbook. I wanted this one, and I was like, I'm finally gonna buy it now, so. Anyways, if you're in the UK, there's one in Edinburgh, there's several in London. I don't know where else they are, but check out Dishoom. It's really good. If you're really wanting authentic curry, it's not the place. It's more Iranian, Pakistani, and different regions in India. So it's a little blend of a couple different cuisines, but it is fantastic. So anyways, till next time, see ya.